Yeah, look over there.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's like a little blob right there. This whole time I've been to like Costa Rica and Panama. I haven't seen a sloth. Finally, I see a sloth. There's another sloth right here. There's squirrel monkeys.
Yeah.
There's the squirrel monkey, which are the little ones, and the cappuccino monkeys. Cappuccino? Surfacing just a little bit, but you can't really see them, and they don't look pink. They're very shy.
Look at the fish. Oh.
This was our chance to go swimming, but because of my injury, I couldn't. And what's your excuse?
And I'm freezing, so I have no excuse.
It's way colder than I thought it was gonna be. I like only brought a rain jacket and one long sleeve. Now that it's getting dark, we're going on a night hunt for caimans. So peaceful out here. Oh, it's so nice. It's making me kind of sleepy because like the water is like a mirror, and it's just so nice. It's about to get spooky and dark. Do 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 do. Our guide is a caiman whisperer. We found a caiman, although I didn't see it.
Ahí está, acá ve, Camilo.
Wow. This is the Amazon tree boa. I saw that from really far away. That was insane. But you could just see like the eyes. Same with the caimans, you could just see the eyes. And you follow that. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie Nelson if you are new here. And I am currently in Ecuador. I just woke up, that's why I look so tired. In Ecuador, I'm in this special location. I'm in the Amazon jungle, which is like insane to say because it's like the Amazon. But it's day 2. What you saw yesterday was day 1. It was a whole lot of me being tired, but me being really excited to be here. Okay, there's a bee. Anyways, today's gonna be a really, really fun day, full day, because it's like my only full day, and then tomorrow we only have like the morning, and then we have to head back to Borneo. You could sign on for like 3-day, 4-day, 5-day tours, but yeah, we could get breakfast in just a second and then head on a hike with rain boots and everything to see wildlife up close. This place is insane. You're seeing wildlife left and right. It's beautiful.
Good?
Yep, we're all good, thank you. All suited and booted, ready to go with our rain jacket, our boots, long sleeves because of spiders and everything, to see some insects and wildlife.
In Spanish to this Petesia napensis, we call them in Latin.
Now we're really in the jungle. And that is why we have long layers. It's a turtle nesting under the tree.
No. Oh wow.
It's like medicine. I'm gonna put it on my spider bite. See what happens. Sure. It turns brown. Cool. It's a tree of communication. That's how you let people know that you're around. Because if you yell, the animals will mock you.
You can eat them?
Yes. Yeah. It tastes like lemon.
Just gonna eat some ants. I love how you were like, that was really good. This is natural makeup. Good thing they give you boots. Well, I was gonna film the free time, but then I just fell asleep in the hammock. But now we're back on the boat, and we're gonna go for a night walk and a night boat ride.
One night in the jungle.
And we're gonna sleep for one night in the jungle. No, we're not. I mean, technically we are.
If you bring everything, it's no problems. No, I mean the flashlight. Right there.
It's eating the cockroach.
I have like a tiny head. You know, this place guy they eat some small frogs. You know, and we saw before. That's why this. No, it's not poisonous. A whip they call by this couple like a whip.
Good morning, everybody. We woke up at like 5:45 to come out and watch birds and the sunset. It's our last and final morning here. Sad times, we get so used to getting on the boat, but it's gonna be a good morning. There's some toucans right there. So we've just come back for breakfast, but I want to show you our room because we're packing up and we're gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna leave right away. So, very basic. We just got a bed for me and Christina. We don't have any light at the moment, but this is our bathroom. Here's Christina. And 2 little day beds. We put our stuff on with a nice balcony. Very nice of you. Goodbye. Goodbye. The head's over there. We found an anaconda that's about 1.5 meters.